Hello everyone, the Panda Photographer is back, and this is part 2 of redemption of the Boya BY-MM1 microphone. So this is a knockoff of the Rogue Video microphone, and it comes with a bit of extra accessories, but is it good enough for your videography or your blogging? Well, let's roll that intro and let's open the box. So as I said, this is the Boya BY-MM1. So this is a knockoff of the Rogue Video microphone, and it does come with a TRRS cable, and the Rogue Video mic does not come with the TRRS cable. You have to pay extra $16 to $17 for that cable, but this is around $40 US, and let's open the box and see what it comes with. So should be fairly easy to open. Let's flip it. So in the box comes with a super duper seal micro cloth, which is fantastic. Manual guide and instructions. Make sure that you do read that. And here's the dead cat and the microphone itself. Here's the microphone itself. So it's the same size as the Rogue Video microphones, and that's where you plug into the 3.5 headphone jack. And I have to say that this dead cat is pretty padded. It's really padded. It's like headphones, but very useful. Comes with a carrying bag, comes with a anti-shock mount, comes with a standard 3.5 headphone jack to jack, and this is the TRRS cable for your iPhone to your microphone. So you plug the microphone 3.5 jack into the back, and this one plugs into your iPhone, so you can use it for your iPhones as well. So that's what comes in the box. And as I said, this is a second redemption video because the first one did not work properly, so we're going to try to give it a try. So if you guys like the unboxing, please do subscribe to this channel, please hit the notification button, share the content, and please do follow me on social media. And with that said, please support the channel with the PayPal link down in the description below. With that said, eat sleep photography and repeat, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, already disappointment, another one that is not working. So my conclusion is that don't buy this brand. It's a piece of shit. And I'm sorry, Boya, but whatever the brand names is, Vobo, V-O-V-O, no, it's M-O-B-O, but this doesn't work. Look, listen to this. Is that supposed to happen? Out of the box? Sorry, but the quality built is very poor. So, if you guys are looking for a cheap microphone, some of you may have gotten one that is lucky enough to work, but this is the second one that is not working. So my conclusion is it's no good. Don't buy it. It's not worth your time. So with that said, Panda Photographer here. Peace out, guys. So I just returned the second one to the Amazon again and just told Yuki about it, and she's like, why? You and Amazon just have a bad relationship. It is true. Me and Amazon don't get along because they allow sellers to do what they want to do, and they don't sell it. Some of the times the sellers do not want to interact with the customer, which means that they don't reply to the emails. So it's Amazon that have to do the back and forth negotiations. And basically, how I go to Amazon is Amazon tends to lie to customers because some of these agents don't even know how the guidelines are supposed to work at Amazon. So with that said, I'm going to try for a third time. If it doesn't work the third time, sometimes 3 times is the charm. If it doesn't work out, then I am going to call it quits and announce that product, that knockoff, to not be a good product at all. But with that said, guys, please support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.